Fear of failure is good. Fear of failure will keep you up at night, planning and rehearsing and going over contingencies. Fear of failure will keep you training hard.
What's up, RicoCap family and traders? Back again for another absolute banger trade recap and how we captured SPY overnight. It was an absolutely amazing day. 2 for 2 on the day, right? Including this swing. So this is what happened kind of going into from yesterday into today. We saw that SPY was trying to make new all-time highs the previous day of, and we sold off. Tech was very weak, dragged SPY all the way down to our 579 level, pretty much held our 580, 579 RicoCap demand. Now, from here, I wanted to see kind of how we grinded, through the day. And we absolutely defended that 580, 579 demand and ran to our 582. This is exactly what I told the members. If we can stay above 580, we'll run to 582 level there. And that's exactly what we did kind of going into close there. And as we freshly touched that 582, about right here is where I slammed some 585 end of week expiration. So it was 10/18 expiration, 585 strike on SPYs. Got them for $120 right here. This was a swing going into today on unemployment news, retail news, and then of course, other earnings and stuff like that. So I was pretty confident in what I saw. I hosted a review session last night telling the team exactly what I was seeing, what we expect to play out, and then what we should do from there. So I told the team too, if we got to 582, we'll run to 585 from there. Should be all-time highs. And we did technically open up intraday new all-time highs at 586, almost our 587 level, but immediately dumped. And we'll get into that in a minute. So of course we slammed those 585s into close, and we got them for $120. Kind of went against us just a little bit, but it doesn't matter. We knew the move was coming. We gapped up, ran all the way up to 585, opened up at 586. Looks like 585. We'll call it 586 even. So these were about $1 in the money. So these ran to over 100% for us, over 168% actually. They hit about 268. Where I was all out about like 250 market orders, right at open. Told the team sell pretty much all of it at open because our next play is going to be puts coming down, and that's exactly what we did. And so we absolutely did that. As we sold those, we immediately turned to Q. Q was the weaker one. We see it knifing all the way down on this first 15-minute candle to start eating the gap here. As we broke the 495 level, 494, right here, I knew it was time to go. We need to take that chance. Slammed the 492 puts, lottos for about 100. Man, my entry wasn't good because it was actually pretty fast, but we got it for like 120, 130. And then they just knifed. So over, 170, 180. I think they went 200 plus, but all out of like around 170. So nice little snipe there, nice little gain there. And it was fast. So we still have some of that gap still lingering right there. So absolutely 2 for 2 on how amazing that was. So we caught the gap up and the gap down. We couldn't have played that any more perfect. We're locked in on the zones. We're locked in on price action. We know exactly what's going on. And we're moving on to Friday. Should be a fun Lotto Friday, but monster week. I can't wait to give y'all the trade weekly recap Friday or Saturday whenever I bust that out. But it's been a monster week. I know we have a lot of new members and a lot of people joining and just banking. I want to just brag real quick about the members too. And I'm in the members gains in my Discord, right? Discord's free, wap.com/RicoCapital. Join if you want. But look at some of these members gains, right? Over 100% on the day. Burks is killing it. I'm showing off that gain from SPY. We're up. New members are up. Donuts back. 50% on the day, 14%. Sniper mode. We're seeing absolute killers coming out and following along my trades and just absolutely killing it too. Right here, C-Dog up $400 on one of our fast trades. It was an Apple trade, right? So up $400. That was a quick morning for us. Easy stuff. Kevin doing amazing, up what, $300, doubling his portfolio fast, right? It doesn't matter what amount he's starting with, he's absolutely killing it. We got more. This is my main Twitter, by the way. I know you know what it is. Look, one contract, 105 out of 288, beautiful price, $368 right there, and the list goes on. So absolutely been killing it, crushing it with the team. Love bragging about them, trying to train them into becoming snipers, where we're not doing a million different trades. Yes, Q puts worked, and then round 2 Q puts midday could have worked. As we jumped back into this demand turn supply, or just supply really for SPY, we could have shorted out of that, but we're waiting for the bigger moves, right? The bigger moves, and we're doing less. We're just trying to see what really sticks, and we're looking for the way bigger moves, not trying to do much, not trying to do all that. So we're keeping it sniper mode, we're keeping it short and sweet, and just keeping it rolling, right? We're not trying to give back gains, protect capital, and just keep it moving. So monster day on SPY and Q. We absolutely killed it, keeping it simple and just banking. So if you want to join the team, wap.com/RicoCapital. Join the team, get involved, like, comment, subscribe. If you're on YouTube, if you're seeing this on Twitter, retweet, like it, drop a comment, whatever you need, follow, doesn't matter. I'm here for you guys. That's why I give you guys these recaps and how we keep killing it. So I make it super simple, right? Buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. Making it so simple. Sellers, buyers, risk on, risk off. Making it so simple, right? This is my strategy. So just want to give you all the recap on that. We're absolutely killing it. Tap in on the next recap, show some love, and I'll see you on the next one.